participate in this WBAA event is a good opportunity for us to move forward the new agenda, new goals for WBAA, to develop it and to grow. And also I think this is a very good opportunity for all the members of the WBAA to join, to create a good network and to create connection which directly we can improve in the higher education and all the programs that we have access to.
Being part of WBAA means being part of a strong network that strives for a change.
Erasmus Plus is a program that has kind of changed my life. Through participating in Erasmus Plus, I've been able to develop my self-confidence, develop my public speaking, develop my soft skills, and kind of get a better understanding of what I want to do in the future. So as an Erasmus Plus ambassador, that is what I aim to share to other young people, specifically in my local community and even wider on a regional and national level and even on a European level.
And for students, it's very important to gain some kind of Erasmus Plus exchange because it develops them professionally, personally, in every sense. And if they become members of WBAA, they gain opportunity to write projects, to cooperate with other people who have been on this type of exchange, and they can bring changes in our society. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
My message to Western Balkan youth is about collaboration, is about to stronger links between each other, because working together can give better results than working alone.
My message to young people is that they are the future and they should be involved and stay curious and to be the change.
Stay strong, try to make better life for young people in all countries.
For me, Erasmus Plus means freedom,
Development,
friendships,
Professional growth,
Togetherness,
Empowerment.